Hello, I'm Chef Vivien, French chef. Today we will cook a delicious sauce roquefort. The blue cheese, the French blue cheese that many people doesn't like, but in France we like what is smells strong. So here we have a big piece, enough full roquefort, but we don't use all of this for a recipe. We use about 150 grams. A shallot, veal stock, cream, liquid cream, and of course butter. If you don't have veal stock, you can use chicken stock, or even you can do not put any stock, no stock. You can use only liquid cream. It will be a little bit different, but it's also tasty. Today we will add a little bit of veal stock, and at the end you will see how we serve it with the steak. So what we need to do first is to make shallot ciselé. So we cut in two pieces and we finely cut the shallot like this. So we cut the shallot finally. Now we will gently fry with a little piece of butter. We will gently fry, and now we will cut the roquefort. So roquefort, it's a blue cheese from the region, the center of France. So it's made with sheep milk, and it's the legend say that somebody forget a piece of cheese and nearby a piece of bread in a cellar, and after some days appears moisissure. The blue moisissure, it's a type of, it's Penicillium roquefortis, and this way was born the roquefort, which after stay some weeks in the cellar, this cellar which stay every time at 12 degrees for a long time, and more or less cured like a good wine. I have a recipe of gougère, so if you have some pieces left of roquefort, you can use for gougère. So we will cut in little pieces the roquefort in cubes, and we will melt it up in the pan. Now we melt it in the pan. Smells so tasty. You can do this recipe with roquefort and with many blue cheese like Stilton in England, for instance. You can do it with Dor Blue in other countries. You can do it with also all blue cheese which from France. So you have Fourme d'Ambert, you have Bleu d'Écosse, you have Bleu d'Auvergne, you have Bleu de Gex, you have Bleu de Jura. We are down stock or not. Voilà, to have a little taste of meat, because I will serve it with the steak. But if we imagine that you like roquefort and you have salmon, you can make pasta with salmon with this sauce without this stock, for instance. All ingredients and proportion are written below. Voilà, when it's reduced a little bit, when it starts to be quite like a sauce, so nappant, this way, so it's not enough still, but it's the moment to put some cream. Minimum 30%. In my case it's 35, it's better, but you need high fat cream. It's every time better. If you do a sauce like this, which is cheesy, you need gourmandise. We season with a pepper. As you saw, I did not put salt, because as you imagine, the cheese already salted. We have quite the texture of a sauce now. When the cream starts to make this skin, in the borders, it starts to be thick. Wonderful. We change the spoon. The sauce is ready. We stop the fire. The French touch to finish the sauce the butter. So little piece of butter, and we whisk without fire. It's called montée au beurre, and this will give you so a brilliant shiny sauce, a longer taste. And if you don't add this butter, you don't have this. It's the final touch for many French sauces. Super nice. With the shallot inside, you can filter with a strainer. I will not do it because let these little pieces of shallot for me it's interesting. So this recipe with veal stock, chicken stock, you can serve it as well with fillet of duck fillet. You can serve it with beef, many steaks, tenderloin, strip loin, flat steak, whatever, flank steak, what you prefer. You can serve it, of course, with roast beef. Very quickly fry in the pan in pieces. After you add the shallot and you do this process, and in 5 minutes you have a very nice dish with just pasta, and it's succulent. We quickly cook a nice steak, strip loin, to serve with roquefort sauce. Let's make dressing now. Today I make some potatoes duchesse. It's traditional French recipe. Strip loin. So we put this potato duchesse. Oh, what a nice sauce! Hop, nice portion of sauce, and you can enjoy this fantastic roquefort sauce with meat and potatoes. I have more sauce. If you want more sauce, check my playlist. There is a playlist special for sauce. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. Thank you.